Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this series I celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Mini. This episode is going to be about Norev. Also check out my previous episode I did on Hot Wheels, Matchbox and Schuko. You can find them in my playlist. So these are or have a date on the package of 2014. So they were probably released in 2015. The left one is in the Retro series, the right one is in the Racing Retro series. So let's take a look at the street version. So here we have a very tiny example of a Mini. So let's say it says Mini Cooper on the base in the correct font. So this has rubber tires. Yeah, these are rubber tires. It's got lensed headlights, very nice grille detail. In the back you get the taillights and the name of the vehicle, plus some chrome touches also on the bumper. Very nice. It is a left-hand drive one, so a Continental version. White roof, kind of a it's not a metallic blue, it's a typical kind of blue from that time, that era, in the 60s. Very cool one, very nice rendition of it. You can see it's got the side windows that slide back. You can see they put the stripe on there to mark the difference between the two pieces of glass that slide. So that's very nicely done. I think the back part slided forward, although I'm not 100% sure about that. Could be the other way around. Very cool. And then we have the racing version. So pretty much the same as the other one. Plastic base, got the rubber tires, also has the white roof, and this is a red one. This is an actual racing livery, number 177 on the door. It's got the license plate, lensed headlights, also mini badge. This one does have a little bit of detail around the wheel wells, you know, the black stripe, the plastic wideners for the probably some wider wheels than the original one. Not much, no taillights in the back, but you know, it's a red one. They often don't do that. And then the rest of the details are the same. And here on top, Rally Monte Carlo, because that's a rally that this car has won several times. So very cool version. So these are very nice ones. These are, in my opinion, just as good as the Schuko ones, although the Schuko ones are a little bit more to scale. Schuko is 1/64 scale. These are more 3-inch, but very nice ones nonetheless. So I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.